So this is the critical appreciation of the poem Poet Lover Birdwatcher by Nissim Ezekiel. Introduction. Poet Lover Birdwatcher by Nissim Ezekiel is a contemplative and multifaceted poem that delves into the complexities of human identity, love, and interconnectedness of the self with nature. Published in 1965 as part of Ezekiel's collection, the exact name, the poem exhibits the poet's keen observation, philosophical depth, and mastery of language. Now, what is the theme of this poem? The overarching theme of the poem revolves around the tragic roles of the poet. मतलब 3 रोल कौन से पोएट के? लवर, बर्ड वॉचर, and each representing a distinct facet of human experience. Ezekiel intricately weaves together these roles to explore the challenges, desires, and reflections inherent in the pursuit of art, love, and deeper connection with the natural world. Now, about the structure of this poem. The poem is structured into 3 sections, each dedicated to one of the titular roles. This tripartite division creates a sense of symmetry and balance, allowing the reader to navigate the distinct yet interconnected realms of the poet's internal world. The progression from poet to lover to bird watcher mirrors a journey of self discovery and contemplation. Now, section 1 about this poem is about the poet. This section delves into the complexities of poet's role, addressing the challenges of artistic expression and responsibility of conveying intricate emotions through language. Second section is about the lover. Ezekiel's shift focus to the realms of romantic love, exploring the joys and sorrows that come with emotional entanglements. The language becomes more intimate and personal, reflecting the nuances of human relationships. Section 3 is about the bird watcher. The poem includes with the contemplative role of bird watcher, introducing a metaphor for detached observation and introspection. This section provides a reflective resolution to the emotional and artistic conflicts presented earlier. Now about the diction. Ezekiel's diction is more both evocative and accessible. The language is rich with metaphor and symbolism, creative vivid imagery that resonates with readers. The poet employs a mix of concrete and abstract language, allowing a seamless transition between tangible experiences of love and the more abstract musings on art and nature. The use of vivid and sensory language in describing the poet's struggle, the lover's passion, and the bird watcher's contemplation enhances the emotional and intellectual engagement of the reader. The careful choice of words contributes to the overall depth and resonance of the poem. The poem is replete with powerful imagery that serves to amplify its thematic richness, from the vivid portrayal of poet's quest for symbols to the evocative scenes of lovers embracing under an ancient tree. Ezekiel paints a tapestry of images that invite readers to visualize and empathize with the various facets of human experience. Now about the conclusion. Poet Lover Birdwatcher stands as a testament to Nissim Ezekiel's poetic prowess and his ability to articulate the complexities of the human condition through its well-structured dramatic exploration, evocative diction, and poignant imagery. The poem encourages readers to contemplate their own roles in the world, fostering a deep connection between personal, interpersonal, and the natural.